Alright guys, this is the next part
Guys,
2 of Build-A-Boat Christmas.
Just telling you, did you know that the best strategy to defeat the boss fight is having a giant wall and having a bunch of seats everywhere?
Guys, do you see that? Okay.
Someone has a plane turbine.
Alright, Carson, I need you to get your khaki pants on and grab those matching orange shirts that are on the bed.
What's the orchard?
Okay.
Huh? I think we're... what?
Boy.
I don't know what that was.
Why?
Because that's what you guys are going to wear for your pictures.
Why do we have to get into those right now?
Because I just want to make sure we're ready to go.
I don't know what that was, guys.
So guys, after you get pretty much all the presents.
A giant blue present appears. And there'll be candy canes in the ground.
Bring these just in case.
Also, there's like nice gingerbread hams, and it's kind of nice. What am I saying? Wait, did you get the gingerbread house?
I think I got those two houses. I just didn't notice it.
Maybe.
Well, we'll see. So guys,
Nice house, I think.
maybe.
I hate how you have to like do that stuff, right?
Yeah, you have to, guys. If you're on computer, you'll have to do this. But on iPad, you just have to.
Click it.
Okay, I'm missing one more house. I think.
Um,
I know I got that house. Oh no, I think it might be that house. I might have missed that house.
probably.
I think it might be.
Also, we are not kidding. We literally got the blue present. And this is not just random lighting making it look like we got a blue present.
Yeah, I missed that house.
We literally have a blue present. This is not editing. We can't even edit anyways. We don't know how to edit.
Oh crap! I lost my power, guys. So I have to reset my character.
Also,
Those are a blue one.
that's a nice one though.
There's no bad blue ones, but
I'm gonna tell you all of the gingerbread types. First is the basic gingerbread. You already know what he looks like, probably. And then there's also the next gingerbread is the explosive gingerbread. He's black and orange, and he explodes.
I'm trying to figure out what team I need to go to next.
And then there's also
I lost where I was.
There's also the super jump guy, the super jump gingerbread. They jump super high. So I recommend building a wall so they can't get past.
Yeah, we built a really good wall.
Yeah,
So
and I still have it.
yes, Carter will summon it for us after I get those last presents.
I think I need to add the chairs because that's how we survived.
And we're gonna add some chairs because it turns out that
They get stuck in
chairs are their weakness. Oh crap!
They get stuck
Jump!
in
Jump!
chairs.
Jump! Why is my character not jumping?
I don't know. You flick the space bar 1,000 times.
Like I wasn't jumping. That was just a waste of time for video. Okay, I'm mad.
Yeah, it's thinking this
I
video is
am
30 minutes.
Mad because I don't.
The video's on 3 minutes.
I know. I will stop it at 4 minutes.
What? Wait, Jinx.
Jinx.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Stop.
Jinx.
Jinx again. 1, 2, 3.
Stop. What is that?
Oh my god. Wait.
We're gonna have to end the part soon.
Yeah, after this video, we won't show you what the boss fight acts like. All we're gonna do, all we are gonna do is just show you how we summon him. So
Yeah. Just telling you, did you the boss, the last enemy is a giant gingerbread man.
so once you go to the last house
Spoiler alert.
and
Spoiler alert, the last
don't
gingerbread-
tell them that. They probably already heard. You don't want to say it again just in case they haven't heard.
stuff.
Don't. Oh, and guys, there it is. And then I'm just gonna click on it to show you how it acts. So then you need this.
Candy cane.
Why
Guys,
is my music still playing? Turn that down. And then you have to just throw.
guys, I'm building my wall.
And And yeah, there's Carter's wall.
It's not finished, okay?
Y'all, and you just have to throw. They're all one hit except the final boss, which we won't tell you what that is.
Yeah, I think I accidentally said
But wait, Carter, do you have the thingy majig on where they can't escape?
Insulation mode?
Yes.
Yeah,
Good.
I turned it on.
So guys, pretty much all you have to do is just throw
Candy canes.
Candy
also, I made
canes.
a gingerbread-proof door.
And when you throw candy canes, it just kills them.
Once it.
Sometimes they can stick and like acts like they
Why did I not
impale.
put the chairs?
Sometimes they will get into the wall that
I
we
gotta
made.
put the chairs.
But pretty much the gingerbread men are pretty much vicious. Oof.
Dude, place the chairs.
They're fast. Some of them are fast.
The fast ones are the normal guys.
Yeah, the ones that I'm killing right now on camera.
We actually beat the. I don't know how.
Yeah, we did.
Someone was just placing chairs everywhere.
Yeah, we had a teammate that was placing chairs everywhere. So guys, you can.
And it was literally helping.
Oh wait. And you can see that it starts sending a lot. That's why you have to build something to protect yourself. Because there's and they get stuck on chairs. You guys can see that.
That's why you're not moving. Just telling you, we're not hacking.
Carter, don't kill anymore because after we get trust, we're gonna stop. Alright, guys, I'll be it.